Today discussion about topic introduction of the modern physics, scientists and innovation of the formulas in modern physics. Physics. What is physics? The nature science which is investigates the nature and behavior of the physical concepts of phenomena include masses, matter, motion, and change has value collary observations derived from those examinations such as energy, force, space and time. This is called physics. Physics. ఫిజిక్స్ మోడర్న్ ఫిజిక్స్లో మనకు ఫస్ట్ వచ్చే సైంటిస్ట్ పేరు న్యూటన్ మెకానిక్స్. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చే పేరు మనకి న్యూటన్ మెకానిక్స్. సర్ ఐజాక్ న్యూటన్ ఈస్ బోర్న్ 1642 to 1727. Formulated the mathematics from the universal laws of gravitation and determined the nature of light. He was formation in mathematics for the universal law of gravitation and determination nature of a light. Next, the Newton synthesis is Newton's Principia Mathematica 1687 states the laws of motion, the universal laws of gravitation and a derivation of the Kepler laws of motion of planet. Very important of the formulas is Kepler laws of the motion of planet. Newton's three laws of motion of matter formed the basis of classical mechanics. Newton's three laws of the motion of matter formed the basis of classical mechanics. First one is a body remains in a state of rest or continues its motion in a straight line unless implied the change by the force impressed on it. First law. Second law, దీన్ని మనము momentum of inertia అంటాం, inertia law అంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్ acceleration law. Acceleration, the change in a motion of a body is proportional to the force action upon it. దీన్ని మనం acceleration law అని చెప్తాం. Next one is action law. Third one is action law. For every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Basically classical mechanics లో సర్ ఐజాక్ న్యూటన్ ప్రతిపాదించిన ఈ 3 లాస్ అనేటి మనకి ఈ క్లాసికల్ మెకానిక్ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. ప్రతి విషయంలో ప్రతి టాపిక్లో కూడా ఈ 3 లాస్ అనేది మనకి రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ మొమెంటమ్ ఆఫ్ ఇనర్షియా, సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ యాక్సలరేషన్, థర్డ్ వన్ ఈజ్ యాక్షన్. న్యూటన్ personally copy of the first edition of Principia Mathematica, edition corruption of the second edition. ఇది సర్ ఐజాక్ న్యూటన్ ప్రతిపాదించిన ఫస్ట్ బుక్. ఇది మనకి మ్యాథమెటికా అనేది బుక్లో మనము చూడవచ్చు. సర్ ఐజాక్ న్యూటన్ ఫస్ట్ టైం ప్రతిపాదించిన బుక్ ఇది. టాపిక్ మనం ఒరిజినల్ టాపిక్లో వచ్చేస్తున్నాము. మోడర్న్ ఫిజిక్స్. Modern physics. First, neutron development in physics. First, neutronic development in physics. Classical physics descriptions of phenomena are locking. Classical physics, for example, could not accelerate explain the question of black body radiation. Classical physics, for example, could not accelerate example of the equation of black body radiation. Scientists through more accelerate modern physics descriptions of physics. Newton's mechanics based on universal absolute versus quantum mechanics based on universal probabilities. Developments, growths, and evolution of physical science. From order, scientists revaluation the elements and age of reasons to cause age of acceleration. World War I to break the end discovery of the enhancement of orders. మోడర్న్ ఫిజిక్స్లో మనకి ముందు వచ్చే శాస్త్రవేత్త మ్యాక్స్ ప్లాంక్స్, కన్సిడర్డ్ బై సమ్ టు బి ద ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ క్వాంటమ్ మెకానిక్స్, deriving from its initial work of the problems of black body radiation, the formulation of the Planck's constant, and the articulation of Planck's laws of radiation. Not all physicists quote Planck as the founder of the quantum mechanics. Some credit Albert Einstein as the founder of the modern physics. Some credit goes to founder of the modern physics is Albert Einstein. Max Planck worked on the problems of describing black body radiation. Quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics involved principle derived from the atoms to describe the physical nature or physical systems at an atomic or microscopic scale. From those exploration, physicists observe both particle-like or wave-like behavior of matter on radiation. The very important theory is this one: both particle-like and wave-like behavior of matter and radiation. Modern physicists attempt to the periodic the behavior of quantum mechanics materials, atoms, molecules, photons, electrons, and other subatomic particles in terms of probabilities, whereas classical physicists periodic continuance. Albert Einstein, the theory of relativity, A is equal mc square. Werner Heisenberg, principle of uncertainty in humanities, delta x into delta p greater than h cut by 2, where h cut is equal to h by 2 pi, where h cut is equal to h by 2 pi. Erwin Schrödinger, very important physicist is Schrödinger. Schrödinger equation, an equation that describe how to the quantum states of a physics system changing in time. It is an control to the quantum mechanics as Newton laws are to classical physics. Schrödinger's cat, dead or alive. Niels Bohr, the famous physical scientist Niels Bohr, principle of complementary items can be analyzed separately as showing conductivity properties like or wave like. Unified field theory. The unified field theory is an attempt to reconicle the infinity within the immediate mathematically. A type of field theory that allows all of the fundamental force between elementary particle to retain in term of single field. There is no accepted unified field theory yet, and this remains an open line of research. A theory of everything is closely related to unified field theory, but defined by the not required to the base of nature to be found, and also attempt to explain to all physical concept nature. The butterfly effect. Small variation of the initial condition of a dynamic system may produce large variation in the large term of behavior of system. Observer effect. Those the act of observation alter or change in phenomena began observer refer to change that the act of observation make on the phenomena observed after the result is instrumented that the necessity alter then the state that they measure some manner effect can be observed in domains of physics. Woman's Rozak. The simplest answer in the best answer. Named after the 14th century Fincher William Omer Lattice. Also law of a Remisial law of economy, law of subsistence, Fermat's way of implement principle of Einstein's formulas of special relativity occur in Roser in a metaphysical or Hauser performance, not logical or scientific principle. Karl Popper concept of feasibilities. Next, entropy. Entropy, measurement of the disorder of the system. Phase of transactions. Transformation of the thermodynamics system from the phase another at the phase transaction point. Physical property may undergoes about charge of, for example, values of two phase may be vastly different image transaction of a liquid water into vapor at a boiling point in commonly use. The term of used in described transaction between states solid, liquid and gas of matter comparability tripping point. సో గ్యాసెస్ నుంచి ప్లాస్మా నుంచి లిక్విడ్ నుంచి సాలిడ్ అండ్ సాలిడ్ నుంచి లిక్విడ్ నుంచి ప్లాస్మా నుంచి సాలిడ్, ఇలా మనకి స్టేటస్ అనేటివి ఉంటుంది. థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ కన్వర్షన్ ఆఫ్ హీట్ ఎనర్జీ ఇంటూ ద అదర్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ example chemical, electronics and mechanicals in industrials. Thermodynamics developed out of need to increase the efficiency of steam engine earlier steam engine. The Manhattan project develop to develop the first nuclear weapon by United States, Canada and the United Kingdom during World War II. From the 1942 to 1946, the US Army Corps of Engineering under the administrations of General Leslie R. Groves Scientific research was led by J. Robert Fournier and included other pharmaceutical scientists such as Niels Bohr and Richard Steinman, led by Aaron Fermi, achieved that the first man-made nuclear chain reaction in 1942. And in 1945, the world won first nuclear explosive of united by the Trinity State maintained control over Venus weapons produced uniquely the formation of the Atomic Energy Commission in the January 1947. The mushroom culture over Nagasaki, Japan after the demanding of the flat man, a gravity bomb on August 9, 1945. August 9 and 1995. Hiroshima, Nagasaki నగరాలపైన యుఎస్ ఆర్మీ 1945 ఆగస్టు 9 అణుబాంబు వేయడం జరిగింది. దాంతో వేలాది మంది ప్రాణాలు కోల్పోవడం, లక్షలాది మంది నిరాశ్రులయ్యడం జరిగింది. Practical impact of modern physics. Practical impact of modern physics and quantum mechanics, atoms, bombs, nuclear energy and power plant, advances in molecular and chemical biology, observation and discrimination of DNA, RNA, space explorations, X-ray lasers, concept display and barcode readers, transistors, computers and many other developments. Practical impact of modern physics and quantum mechanics. ఆటం బాంబును కనుక్కోవడం జరిగింది. న్యూక్లియర్ ఎనర్జీ అండ్ పవర్ ప్లాంట్ని తయారు చేయడం జరిగింది. అడ్వాన్సెస్ ఆఫ్ మాలిక్యులర్ ఆఫ్ కెమికల్ బయాలజీని నిర్మించడం జరిగింది. డిఎన్ఏ ఆర్ఎన్ఏ స్ట్రక్చర్ని అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. స్పేస్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. ఎక్స్రే లేజర్ని కనుక్కోవడం జరిగింది. కాన్సెప్ట్ డిస్క్ ప్లేయర్ని తెలుసుకోవడం జరిగింది. అండ్ బార్కోడ్ వ్యవస్థని తెలుసుకోవడంలో ఈ ఆధునిక భౌతిక శాస్త్రం ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ట్రాన్సిస్టర్ కనుక్కోవడంలో కూడా ఈ ఆధునిక భౌతిక శాస్త్రం ఉపయోగపడింది. అండ్ కంప్యూటర్ని కనుక్కోవడంలో కూడా ఈ మోడర్న్ ఫిజిక్స్ చాలా మనకి ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఇంకా చాలా విషయాలు డెవలపింగ్ చేయడానికి ఈ మోడర్న్ ఫిజిక్స్ అండ్ క్వాంటమ్ మెకానిక్స్ అనేది మనకి చాలా ఉపయోగపడినాయి. Ferenc Krukes, who along with James D. Watson co-discovered the molecular structure of DNA, was influenced by the works of physicist Erwin Schrödinger. Nuclear energy. The nation's oldest nuclear power plant, Oyster Creek Nuclear Generating Section, generates enough electricity to power 6 lakhs ohms a year. It's provided 9% of New Jersey electricity. Oyster Creek's boiling water reactor in considered obsolete by the today standards. It went online December 1, 1967. Source when a Perry, oldest US nuclear plant, get new 20 years in April 2009. Associated Press. Associative Press. Fermi paradox. Apparent contractions between high imitation of the probability of the extension of the extensional civilizations and the lack of advances from the R concept with such civilization named after atomic physics enroll Fermi, who is worked on the Manhattan project. The two-dimensional projection of the three-dimensional analysis of the space-time coherence of description of general realities. General realities.